Hi everyone, today I will try to draw Violet's Pickle from the Baki. Okay, let's make something like this. Okay, one more, and here smaller one. Okay, we done it. Here we're making this detail, and here we're drawing his eye, his mouth, like this. Drawing, it's making it details, it's straight lines. We're drawing his mouth. Very easy without I don't know, I forget the word. Really. Okay. We draw his mouth. Very good and very cool. After this, I want to draw his face, but let's start with eyes. Here they should be. One eye. It must be as mouse, you know, it's gonna be as the mouse. A little bit bigger maybe. But I think you get it, yeah? If you draw the mouse, and it's gonna be like as his eyes, or as you want. So distance between the eyes is gonna be must eye. You know, it's the first rule when you're drawing the face. Distance between the eyes is the one eye. Everybody must know it. Everybody should know it when you're drawing someone. When you're drawing something, it's the normal distance. Yeah, you can draw, you can use another distance, yeah, if you want, why not? But it's gonna be better if you will use it. This rule. Details as every time. And here we're drawing his eyebrows like this. I don't know why they have this weird form, but that's okay because he have them. And we should draw his hair. From the head we draw like this things. Okay, and we are continuing it from this way, like this. Here we're making something, straight lines. Here we're making his hair, like this, okay. Let's draw his face. Yeah, let's done it. Here we're making this line, and here from the eye we're making this stuff. To the mouse we make a pin. From this thing we should draw the straight line to his downside, going up, and here we draw his ear. Okay, very good, very cool. Yeah, that's right. Here we're going up. We're going up, and here we have, I don't know, what is it? Something like, I don't know, it's a weird thing. But, okay, we made it. Let's draw his eyes. Like this. Okay, and his neck. And after we will draw his hair, but it's gonna be easier if you draw the face. Every time when you draw the face, drawing hair, it's important, yeah, but it's easier when you draw everything. And after you just continue drawing the hair as this thing says. Straight lines every time you're making just simple waves every time. Here we'll make like this, here is like this, okay, going up, waves, waves, and waves. Okay? As you went, yeah. You can make it prettier if you want, but the face is the most important thing when you're drawing somebody. Okay? We are done with J.E.D Pickle, so thank you for watching. And sorry for my English.